Hello friends, I'm Manisha Arya and today I'm excited to take you through the details of an ultra luxury project that is setting a new standard in this Noida real estate market. In this video, we'll cover the project's prime location, its highlight, world-class lifestyle amenities and some important updates. This project, originally Mahagun Medalio, is now known as Ace Mahagun Medalio. The branding, the construction, sales and the market positioning will be handled by Ace, which is widely recognized for its professionalism and expertise in marketing and delivering premium residential projects.
Friends, here's something truly exciting. In this prime location, apartments normally cost around 25,000 per square feet, but Ace Mahagun Medalio is being launched at 20,995 per square feet plus other charges. And during the pre-launch period, you can book your apartment in just 16,995 per square feet plus other charges. That's a huge discount compared to the current market rates.
This thoughtful design project spreads across 10 acres approximately and offers a total 686 exclusive residences. The apartments includes a 3 BHK ultra luxury units ranging from 2,500 to 2,575 square feet and 4 BHK ultra luxury units ranging from 2,970 to 4,775 square feet. Only 2 residencies are located on each floor, giving residents an exclusive and iconic living experience.
Ace Mahagun Medalio comprises 8 iconic blocks, 6 of which soar up to 28 floors. This project also features a 70,000 square feet grand clubhouse spread across 5 levels, creating a complete lifestyle destination within the community. Apartments are designed with 12 feet high ceilings, adding a sense of grandeur to each home. The large sky deck balconies are perfect for enjoying sunsets and panoramic city views. This project is fully RERA approved, ensuring complete legal compliance and transparency. Sector 107 Noida is considered one of the most prime and well-connected residential hubs in the city. The project is just 1 kilometer from Sector 101 metro station and 2.8 kilometers from Noida Greater Noida Expressway, while Indira Gandhi International Airport is just approximately 48 kilometers away. It also offers easy access to NH24 and DND. Renowned schools such as Pathways, Amity University, Lotus Valley and Shiv Nagar schools are within 2 to 10 minutes away. Nearby landmarks include Sterling Mall, Mall of India, Noida Golf Course and Worlds of Wonder. And hospitals like JP, Kailash, Apollo and Fortis are within a 10 to 20 minutes drive, making this location ideal for modern family living.
So friends, if you're looking for a home that perfectly combines luxury, comfort and long-term value, Ace Mahagun Medalio is a golden opportunity for you all. And here's the best part, that it is a limited time pre-launch offer at just Rs 16,995 per square feet plus other charges, giving you a massive discount compared to the current market rate of 25,000 per square feet. So if you want to know more about this project or get complete details, you can call us on the number displayed on your screen. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.